everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make Willy the robot with cardboard. You need this to make the circles and stick it with hot glue together. You cannot stick it with it. You need hot glue to stick it. And this materials, you need this materials and Willy the robot looks cool. I did it, I got it like the other piece. Now I need to get that other piece and stick the wheel on it. I'm gonna make this kind of cardboard. I stick the top with glue. Now I'm gonna put this. Okay, now I'm doing stuff like this. I have this one, I got this maybe. This one. Not all of them, but like this. Now this is my neck. I've just done one of Willy's eye. This is Willy's eye. Like this too. Just like the circle. And you need this bending one to bending cardboard. You need to get the top of this off, rip it off, or make it stick easily then. And now let's get started with the eye. Like this. Now it's in the other side. You just stick it right over with the other. There it is. The same color, so we don't have to colorize it. Really try. Ow! And you see, Willy is gonna play with us. He's here. Did you see Willy? Here. Now this is right there. Please. Where's the red one? The robot. He's right over here. And now Mr. Red. It took a lot of time to make it with cardboard. And